I'm very good.
How busy? Busy today?
Busy, we no good business.
Welcome to Bali, mate. Welcome to Bali. A lot of tourists in this area.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Poppies Lane 1 and also Poppies Lane 2 Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Poppies Lane 1 and also Poppies Lane 2 Street. Okay guys, our journey today start from Pantai Kuta Street. This is Hard Rock Hotel. Wow, looks so busy down there. It's just good. Okay, we hope together we will see a lot of tourists in Poppies Lane 1 and also Poppies Lane 2 Street today. Because it was quite a long time I don't make video at Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2 Street. Yeah, Starbucks, Mark Grimer and Davido. We'll see you soon. I'm happy. And today on 15th of July 2025. Wow, busy down there on the beach. Because the weather today just so beautiful. Okay, now we will see how busy Poppies Lane 2 and Poppies Lane 1 Street today. And our journey today start from Poppies Lane 1 Street. Yeah, this is Poppies Lane 1. Woohoo! Wow, get busier. You see that? More tourists in this area. That's good. Hello, how are you?
I'm very good.
How busy? Busy today?
Busy, we no good business.
No good business.
Yeah, very quiet.
A lot of tourists, but no business. Okay?
Just too many tourists.
No shopping time yet. Wow, it's very sad. That's my friend. He told me a lot of tourists, but no shopping. Kutapuri. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. More tourists in this area. We can see together. They just good. Wow. Busy. He just realized me. I mean, like, few weeks ago when I made video in this area was very quiet, but today, wow, we see more tourists in this area at Poppies Lane 1 Street. That's good. Art shop more open. I mean, like, more art shop are open. Hello. Wow, busy. That's good. More tourists in this area. Did you see that? Masa Inn. Also nice accommodation. Wow, it's really more busier in this area. Step by step, Poppies Lane 1 is getting more busier. That's right, big project. It's gonna be big hotel. Very big project. I'm not sure what they're gonna make. Hotel or shopping center. But it looks like hotel. Kuta Town Square down there. Yeah, Petri down there. That's good. Get busier, isn't it? Okay, so this is the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1 Street. Now I will turn left because I will make video also on Poppies Lane 2 Street. But this street we call Gang Ronta. The street in between Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2 Street. Wow. Guest house. That's good. We can see more tourists stay in this area now compared with the last few months. Last few months was very empty in this area. Left side, Kuta Town House. The Legend Hotel at Gang Ronta. Wow. It's right down there. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because that is what people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Poppies Lane 1 and also Poppies Lane 2 Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Yeah, it's way down there. Gang Ronta. Mr. Dev from Alaska, I hope you watch this video. I'm not sure where you've been staying in Bali before, in this area or Seminyak Bali. But this is Kuta Bali at Poppies Lane 1 and also Poppies Lane 2 Street. Okay, so this is Gang Ronta, if I turn right, 50 meters, Legian Street. And in my right hand side is Bagus Pub. But now I will show you how the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 2 Street. Let's together how busy in this area today. Wow, small road, very hard, not easy. See that? Future down there. That's good. Left side, wow, a lot of kids. A lot of trees down there. Not easy. Gora. Gary, your hotel. Wow, not so busy in this area. How come? Wow, people are doing shopping down there. Quiet. Just for a sec. My friend, Katut here. But Katut is usually in the afternoon, be there. Oh my God. Not really busy. Oh, cold Bintang Bear. Around 10 days ago, I already made video in this area by walking. And actually, 10 days ago was busier. Maybe it was the timing. Now it's not so busy. Maybe in the afternoon more busier. Hello, wah, Salman Khan. Quite busy down there actually. See that? A lot of tourists, they are doing shopping down there. Wow. Beach walk mall from the back side, the main gate. Busy, 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 busy. Welcome to Bali, mate. Welcome to Bali. Wow, busy, busy. That's good. Busy nearby the beach walk mall at Poppies Lane Kuta Street. That's good. See that? Wow. A lot of tourists in this area. Confirm busier. Woohoo. Achonk. Usually I was busy down there. Satria Cottage. See that? Quite busy. They just really good. More trees down there. Woohoo. Okay, guys. So this is the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1 and also Poppies Lane 2 Street. So what do you think? Getting more busier, isn't it? That's good. Okay, guys. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali and in Poppies Lane 1 and also Poppies Lane 2 Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.